In a land filled with rolling hills and sparkling rivers, Pikachu set out on an unforgettable journey to Lightning Valley, a mysterious place where legends said the skies always roared with endless thunder. Guided by a magical map given by Professor Oak, Pikachu traveled through enchanted forests, climbed misty mountains, and crossed dangerous rivers, meeting new Pokémon friends along the way like Bulbasaur and Charmander. Each step brought new challenges, battling storms, solving ancient riddles, and facing Team Rocket's tricky traps. But Pikachu's determination never faded. When Pikachu finally reached Lightning Valley, he discovered an ancient crystal that held the secret power of thunder. With a brave heart and the help of his friends, Pikachu unleashed the crystal's energy, restoring balance to the land. From that day on, Pikachu became known as the Guardian of Lightning Valley, inspiring Pokémon everywhere to follow their dreams fearlessly.